We love this neighborhood. It's exciting, it's eclectic, it's got a great central location, including this lovely raised bungalow known as 109 Woodward and is Carl's newest listing. A space that oozes cool, open concept living, quartz countertops, hardwood floors throughout, as well as envious amounts of natural light. A have-it-all backyard full of tranquility. A relaxing pool, and a lanai perfect for that afternoon siesta. It is rare to find a house that ticks so many boxes with the right touch. This space is next level.
I speak loud but don't hear my voice. 10 feet down doesn't feel like choice. Hanging on to the words you say, but every time I listen I just hear white noise. And all I see are these flashing lights. Can't hold on while they're passing by. How many wrongs